Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I am here to share a flip through of my design team project for Natalie at LineDotArrow. This has been a celebration month for Natalie. It's her 3-year anniversary of her Etsy shop, so she's got this new kit out, a magical tea party. So it's all about fairies and tea, and as you can see, very floral, very beautiful papers, as you'll see in a moment. She's also had lots of sales going on in her shop this month, so make sure you head over and check those out. I will have a link to her shop down below. Now, usually I do tend to try and record what I am making for my design team project. I couldn't for this one because this is a photo album and this is a paid tutorial. So this is a tutorial that I paid for to be able to make this. And it's from Kathy King at Paper Phenomenon. I will have Kathy's link down below if you want to go and check out her website. She has lots of tutorials that you can buy, so you can see exactly how she makes her albums. But I just thought this was a really cute one. I made this for my daughter who's 4, and she loves all things that are kind of fairies and florals and frilly and sparkly. So I thought this would be perfect for her to record some of her memories. So let's take you on a little tour of the album. So it is a smallish album. It's 7 1/4 by 6 1/4. It only has a little spine and that's the back. So in each of these pockets there are some different cards and they do open up, so there's plenty of space for photos, or if you were to use this for journaling, it could be for journaling as well. And each of the cards just get bigger and bigger, but they're all the same, so just a little bit of sort of decorative paper down at the bottom, and then they all open up for photos in the back. And that's the last one, so that's the largest size. Again, just some papers and some washi tape, and then it opens up for lots and lots of photo space, and then that pops back in there, and it's exactly the same on the back as well. And then as you open up, Natalie also had some challenges going on in her Facebook group. So this, I think, was the week 2 challenge, so you had to do some stacked teacups. So I've got this gorgeous little birdie on these teacups, and I've just decorated that, put some lace and things behind it as well, to just kind of decorate that pocket a little bit. I've got 2 pockets here, so in the top one, the large one, I've got 2 of the tags that are from the kit, so they are plain on the back for journaling, and the same with that one. I loved the fairies in this, I just love their cute little smiley faces. And then we've just got a large photo mat. So again, you can pop a photo here, do some journaling on the back of what the photo's about, or you can journal in this part and then have the photo on the back. So there's that one. And then in the pocket below, we've got this one. So again, just pretty papers, and then this opens up, and again, you can have journaling or photos on there. You then have this section in the middle. So this is a windowed pocket, and then this pulls out, and then I've put some of the patterned paper behind. Again, we've got this one, just makes me smile so much. I absolutely love that, and it reminds me a little bit of my daughter as well, actually, of her little laughy smiley face. So I do love that one. Again, blank on the back for journaling, and then another photo mat. Good place to put photos. And then this was the week 3 challenge, so this is actually a tuck spot, so you could tuck a photo or something behind there as well. And I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I added some glossy accents and then sprinkled some glitter on, so it's just nice and sparkly. So that's that one, and then that goes in that front pocket with that tag. And then as you kind of go through, they're all very similar, these middle parts. So there's a pocket on one side that holds a photo mat, so plenty of size for a photo. There is some opportunities to do some journaling on these patterned papers, but each of the pages are the same. So there's all a photo card and then patterned papers. Really, really love this. So pretty. This is the centre part then. So this one, you've got one of the photo mats on each side. So you've got one there and then on this side as well. But on this one I also included, this was an envelope that was in the kit, and then all I've done is kind of fussy cut out the florals in the middle, so it is actually see-through, and I've put some acetate behind there as well, so that could hold some goodies. And then on the next page again we've got beautiful pattern papers that come in the kit, another photo card. Oh, no, I can't slot back in. There we go. And the last one. Beautiful. Okay, and then at the back, this was the week 1 challenge. So teeny tiny little fairy house. I did make one that was a bit bigger, but it was too big to fit in here. So again, I've used some glossy accents and some glitter just to give that a bit of a sparkle, but that's my little house. And then similar to the front panel, so you've got 2 tags, again blank on the back for journaling, but I just again love that little girl's face, and again a one large photo mat where you can stick photos and do some journaling, and they go in there, and another one of these fold outs again for journaling or for photos. And that is the album. I really enjoyed making this. The tutorial from Kathy at Paper Phenomenon was really easy to follow. I really love how this has come together. It's a nice small album, perfect for my daughter to do some memory keeping. And the papers are just absolutely beautiful. I really love these. I'm not normally one that likes to use sort of faces and people, but because these are drawn elements, I do prefer these than actual photos. So I'm absolutely loving this, and like I said, that little smiley face just does it for me. It's so beautiful. So I've really enjoyed working with these kits. As I said at the beginning, I will have Natalie's link down below, so I'll have a link to her Facebook group, her Etsy shop if you want to go and check out her kits as well, and also to her YouTube video. So if you want to be inspired for how she's been using her kits, then definitely head over there. Well, that's it from me. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed having a look at this project. It has been a delight to put together. I do have another exciting video coming up, because if you check out down below, I'm above the 3,000 subscriber mark. So I am super excited, and there'll be a video coming out soon where I'll be announcing a little project that I'm doing, but also, of course, a giveaway. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have that bell button clicked so that you are notified when that video comes out. Well, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you all in the next crafty video. I'll see you later. Bye bye.